Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name's Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is the Ubiquiti UDB-IoT, so the Ubiquiti Device Bridge IoT. This is not a big technical overview. We've got plenty of how-tos over on our YouTube channel, but this is really just show you what you get in the box. The idea of the device is it will take something that just has Ethernet and allow it to be bridged to a Ubiquiti wireless network, essentially making it Wi-Fi. So let's just jump in and we'll talk about the unit a little bit as we go through. So starting off, you're going to get a quick start guide, presuming it may not even make it out of the packaging for you. You can hard surface mount this, so we'll look at some of the mounting options in a moment, but as a result you get a little drilling guide to just show you how far apart the screws need to be, and obviously a little level for that. You're going to get your screws and lugs to go with it to be able to mount that. Then we'll look at the antenna in a moment. On the back of the device, which we'll have a look at properly, there's a little inset hole there. So here's our standard hard surface mount. You've got two options for this. So this clips in like this. You've got a ability just to screw this through and put it straight onto the wall, or you can see this has got a sticky pad there on the back of it. So you can just stick it directly to a object, and again you get a spare sticky pad to go with that as well, and that's just come off that. Right, you also get a DIN rail mount if you've got DIN rail, so again that can just click into the back in point, and there you go, and it does actually clip into place there on the bottom if you want to, when you push that in, and that will then obviously give you your DIN rail mount. This is the device which we'll have a look at properly at the moment. It comes with a cover on here. I think this is just a standard small SMA, so you potentially could put another external antenna on there if you wanted to, but you get a little stubby antenna to go on this. Remember, this is not a wireless access point. This is literally a bridge. It only runs in the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. I think it has a maximum throughput of about 300 megasecond, but if you're connecting this to a printer or something like that, then it's unlikely you're going to be wanting that type of performance. So on the front, we've just got our indicators here of signal strength. Obviously on the top, we've got our Ethernet port out, which is 100 megabit a second Ethernet port. Remember, this is not PoE out. Your device is literally, this is just coming straight into the device as an Ethernet connection. On the back is where all those mounting options went, clipped into that connection and obviously joined in here. Polycarbonate construction. Then on the bottom, very simply, we have USB-C. You'll notice there was no power pack in the box, so USB-C powered, our reset switch, or you can take, I think it's 9 to 30 volts DC in that four-way connector in there as well. So that is very simple. That is the little device. It's a bridge between a device that does not have wireless already. It's going to connect to this. This will find its way back through a Ubiquiti wireless network automatically, can be adopted and then seamlessly provide, if you like, a wired connection but over wireless to your non-wireless device. Hopefully that makes sense. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty more box openings on network, firewall, wireless and camera security, how-to guides, how this works, how to set it up there, for example, as well. So head on over, subscribe and stay up to date.